What's up, Guardians? I'm sure a lot of you are wondering, with the new season of The Worthy, what did they do to fusion rifles, and what fusion rifles are good, if any? Fusion rifles. Target acquisition for fusion rifles has been adjusted to no longer account for precision locations. Previously, target acquisition could actually cause the player's volley to deviate from the intended aim vector, causing most of the volley to miss. Damage fall-off for this weapon archetype can now floor at 0.5 times, previously 0.75 times. Effective range and the impact of the optic stat for this weapon archetype has been reduced across the board. So me and a buddy went into a private match to do some testing. See, this should be killable range, right? Right?
It usually is.
It's not. It hits 26s and 27s. I can't even hit all 7 bolts and kill you. It seems like there's just a certain wall where the bolts do not do damage past
It could be similar to what they did with hand cannons, where it's just like this almost instant drop off of damage.
34 from there, so I just didn't hit enough bolts.
Well, that's at roughly 23 meters, so 122 meters. Shoot me.
36s, 35s.
Yeah, so they just made the drop off like happen more rapidly.
The drop off is yeah, it seems.
So 22 meters is probably gonna be roughly the sweet spot of consistency.
Come like straight even with it, and we'll do. Like,
Yeah, so this
20.
is roughly 20 meters. So you
Here,
probably
I'll
can use it. Yeah.
Okay, 40 and
What was that?
41s.
So my guess is at 20 to 22 meters will be like the spot.
Like,
pretty
this
consistently,
is the
and then anything
only-
beyond that.
It's like anything beyond 24, you're not killing something. Ooh, barely. We hit 27. So after all that testing and playing a few matches with Aerontil and a few matches with Main Ingredient, it seems that high impact fusions aren't really worth using. They don't kill at much further of a range anymore, the charge time is dreadful, even precision frames like Main Ingredient don't hardly seem like the increase in damage is worth a slight bump in range. So I equipped a Prolium FR3 and played a few matches, and I was pleasantly surprised with the change to Fusion Rifle's aim assist. It does seem way more consistent at one-shotting. Another change some people may not have noticed is certain weapons were buffed to do extra damage to Titan barricades, which means even the rapid-fire frame fusions can two-shot a Titan barricade down. So I'd recommend using a rapid-fire frame fusion like Prolium FR3 or Zealot's Reward. You can farm a God Roll Prolium from Menagerie, so it's probably the best way to go. Good luck out there, Guardians, and may you always play for the love of the game!